Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to find a center line. First, understand that a center line is a fundamental concept in design and engineering, representing the exact middle of an object or a feature. It's essential for ensuring symmetry, balance, and proper alignment in various applications. We'll cover simple techniques that you can apply immediately to accurately locate these critical lines, making your projects more precise and professional. Let's get started with the basics. For a simple straight line or a rectangular object, the process is quite straightforward. Begin by using a ruler or tape measure to determine the total width or length of the area you need to bisect. Once you have this measurement, simply divide it by 2. This calculation gives you the exact midpoint. Mark this point clearly, then use a straight edge to draw a line through it, perpendicular to the original dimension. This line is your center line. When working with circles or arcs, finding the center line, which is often the center point itself, requires a slightly different approach. You can draw any 2 non-parallel chords within the circle. Then, construct the perpendicular bisector for each of these chords. The point where these 2 bisectors intersect is the exact center of your circle. This method ensures high accuracy, especially for larger or less defined circular shapes, providing a reliable center for your work. For more complex or irregular shapes, you might need to employ techniques like using a plumb bob to find the center of gravity, which often aligns with the center line for balanced objects. Remember, precision is key, so always double-check your measurements and markings before making any permanent cuts or designs. Practice these methods, and you'll quickly improve your accuracy. Also, if you're looking to improve your financial well-being, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.